Do you know, a certified project manager's salary is 36.5% higher than the non-certified one? No doubt, project management is an exciting job. However, certified project managers are well received and recognized in any organization. Are you also aiming to become a professional project manager? Or looking to achieve your dream of becoming a professional project manager? If yes, then you have come to the right video. Hi, my name is VJ, and I am the founder of ProjectsMind.com, and today we would learn a 5-step strategy for a project management career. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. A professional project manager can manage projects of various sectors starting from Fashions magazine to launching SpaceX rocket. Certified project managers will have numerous job opportunities in comparison of non-professional. So, how to become a professional project manager? Here is a 5-step strategy to develop your career as a professional project manager. The first step is to plan your career path. Even before initiating your project management learning path, first you should understand what is your current status of the professional journey. Depending on the current status of your professional journey, you will need to set your starting point. Whether you are a student, job seeker, or working professional, this will define how to plan your project management career path and ride the learning curve. If you are a student or pursuing high school, then online courses at web platforms like Coursera, Udemy, YouTube videos, articles, vlogs would best point to start your project management career. Enrolling on certified training courses, whether it's online or offline mode, is another option to consider. If you are bachelor, fresher, or looking for an entry-level job, then go for a certified accredited training course and start working on project work. It doesn't matter how small the roles are, this would be the most valuable opportunity for you to gain practical knowledge of project management practices. If you are a bachelor's degree holder with experience, then a certification university course, or pursuing a full-time master or PhD degree in university makes more sense. Once you know your current position, then the next step will depend on the starting point. It will indicate where you can start studying project management, gain effective and worthy knowledge. You need to identify which course or degree is best suitable for you. This will depend on the type of profession, available time, and aspirations. You need to check which qualification is most common in your industry. Which one do you see listed most in the kind of job descriptions you're interested in? Which one is best suited to your available time and budget? Which one will better fit the kind of processes your company uses? Where in the world do you want to work? The third step is to walk the talk. Once you zeroed out the right course, you will need to spend time and effort studying the curriculum. Again, the duration and effort will depend on the type of course that you have chosen and your current professional status. This process may take from months to years. Becoming professionally certified means being recognized worldwide as a solid professional of project management, in compliance with the most well-known standard. The fourth step is getting real project work experience. Even though you do not have any formal project management training, certification, or degree, you should start working on a project if you get the chance. Learning by doing is the best way to learn about project management. Trust me, with a couple of years of dedicated work and a project management degree or certification, you would be ready to handle the significant size of projects as a project manager. The fifth step is developing yourself into a thought leader. Becoming a project manager is not the final destination of your project management career. You should continuously learn things and the latest happening in the project management field of your industry. You should develop your career as a thought leader. And now you know the secret of becoming professional project management. And if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at ProjectsMind.com. At ProjectsMind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.